what's up everybody? It's Michael Brady from Huntington Beach Harley-Davidson here in Westminster, California. Today we're looking at the Harley-Davidson FX BBS Street Bob in Fastback Blue. We've got the 114 Milwaukee 8 engine, 6-speed, liquid cooled, very smooth, modern Harley-Davidson favorite. Comes stock with mini ape handlebars and an LED Daymaker headlight. In addition, for 2022, you have a passenger pillion and passenger pegs ready to go. The 2022 FX BBS Street Bob 114 comes stock with the signature Daymaker LED headlight. The Milwaukee 8 114 has a cubic inch displacement of 114, translating to about 1,868 cubic centimeters. In 2022, Harley-Davidson added the black Annihilator cast aluminum wheels. A tough look on the street and easy maintenance in your garage. The Street Bob's digital riser gauge provides a low-profile look with modern conveniences. The discrete digital display allows you to cycle through odometer, trip A, trip B, remaining fuel with fuel bars along the top edge, clock, and RPM. Accentuating the Milwaukee 8 114 engine, we have dual bending front suspension and rear monoshock. Located below the seat, the monoshock is rider adjustable. The 2022 FX BBS Street Bob features a 25.8-inch seat height, fuel capacity of 3.5 gallons, a dry weight of 631 pounds, and roughly 47 miles per gallon. The 2022 FX BBS Street Bob comes in 4 colors: classic black, redline red, fastback blue, and a favorite gauntlet gray metallic, each featuring the iconic one on the tank. Fantastic bike and a great first step into the Harley-Davidson world.